Hello students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back your online class. Students, today we are going to do the revision of FA1 exam. Students, nowadays in few days your FA1 exam will be come. So students, nowadays we are only prepared and we are do the revision of FA1 exams. Okay, and total 2 chapters will be come in our exam, chapter number 1 and 2. So now today do the revision, but first let's check here the code. What is today's code? Okay, I think this code, after seeing the see this code, you are confusing because of what you are read. Don't quit or do it means this is correct. What? Don't quit, never quit anything, never quit anything. All students, do it. Okay, you do it properly. Understood, all students? So means don't quit to rub and then you do it. Okay, now students, today we are going to do the revision of FA1 exam. Okay, so first of all let's check here the what is the paper style of FA1 exam. Okay, and how many marks of FA1 exams paper? Okay, 20 marks of 20 marks. How many? 20 marks. 20 marks of one paper. So students, here FA1 exam paper style, first of all we learn here the FA1 exams paper style. Understood? So now let's check here. Today we are going to do revision of FA1 exam, and in FA1 exams how many chapters will become, all students? Chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. How many chapters will become, all students? Chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Chapter number 1 is what? Chapter number 1 is a place value, and then chapter number 2 is addition and subtraction. Okay, chapter number 1 name is place value, and chapter number 2 its name is what? Chapter number 2's name is what, all students? Addition and subtractions. Okay, so now let's check here the paper style. Okay, FA1's paper style. Okay, in FA1's exam mainly 5 questions, means a 4th question but sub question is 1 then. Okay, mainly 5 questions will be come in our exam. Mainly 4 questions will become, and each question has 4 marks. Each question has how many marks? 4 marks. So question number 1 to 5 each has a 4 marks. Question number first is what? Question number first A, write in figures. Means write in figures means what? I was give you in a words. Okay, as like that 1200. So and you write answer as like that 1 in digit. You should write in a form of the digit. Got my point, all students? This is your question number 4 and it's a 4 marks. Then after write the numeral and each of the following. Write the numeral in each of the following. Got my point, all students? Means I will be give as a expanded number, and you should be write there only a main number, means a in expansion number. Okay, so and we take, okay, we are taking in the revision. Okay, that time you are understood betterly. Then after add the following. What? Add the following means the addition. Okay, then after subtract, watch out for the 0. It means stop it from the subtraction. And then now solve using addition or subtraction, use only the information you need. What? Subtract, watch out for the 0. Solving using addition or subtractions, use only the information you need. It's a 4 marks 2 questions of this. Okay, so again I am repeating you, question number 1 to 5 will be coming in exam. Each has a 4 marks, total 20 marks. What? what all students in FA1 exam 1 to 5 question will become, 1 to 5 question will become, and each has a 4 marks. Got my point all students? Each has a how many marks? 4 marks. So my dear students, again I am repeating you, 5 question will become write in figures, write the numeral in each of the following, add the following, subtract, watch out for the zero, solving using addition or subtraction, using only the information you need. Okay, it's this your paper style. And now you all students start the preparations of FA1 exam. One more thing here all students, I hope you all are sit properly and sitting with your rough book. If you are not taken your book, so now you take your rough book. Okay, take your rough book, pencil or eraser, and then you should be write the paper style. Okay, and these all important things, all important topics you should be write in your rough book now with me. Okay, again I am repeating you, and I hope you are writing. Okay, so I am repeating you, write in figures means write in digit. Okay, write the numeral in each of the following, then after add the following, subtract, watch out for the zero, and solving using the addition or subtraction, use only the information you need. Means we want this only information, we are taking only this information. Okay, so now first of all we do here the revision of chapter number 1. Okay, what is the name of chapter number 1 all students? Place value. I hope you all are remember all things. Okay, I hope you all are remember this all things. Chapter number 1, place value. Now we are going to do the revision of chapter number 1. Its basis of to the place value. Okay, and this all are come in a FA1 exam. So now let's students start here the revision of chapter number 1, place value. Understood? Okay, so now our first topic is 5 and 6 digit number. How many digits number? 5 digit. 5 digit numbers. It's what is called 5 digit number? 10,000. What all students? 10,000. And 6 digit number means what we call 6 digit number? It's called a 1 lakh. What we called 1 lakh. Got my point all students? So now first of all we are going to learn 5 digit number. 5 digit number means what? Your body has about 97,000 kilometers of blood vessels. Already I taught these all things, but now we do here the revision because of your FA1 exam will be come in a few days or nowadays. Okay, so again we revision of both chapters. Got my point all students? So now our body has about 97,000 kilometers. How long here? How long? Your body has about, means our body has about 97,000 kilometer of blood vessels. Blood vessels means blood vein. Vessels means what? Vein. Vessels words you are learning science. Okay, blood vessels running through it in our body. Blood vessels running through how long? 97,000 kilometers. Okay, so 97,000 it's a 5 digit number. 97,000 it's a 5 digit number. And how do we read it? How do we read it all students? 5 digit number we don't know. So now here we are going to learn how to read 5 or 6 digit number. Okay, so we know that 9,999. we know all students very well how to read 4-digit number. So basis of 4-digit number, we are going to learn 5-digit number. We know that 9999, what? 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. What? It's the largest 4-digit number. If we add one more to it, what? 99. See this, now we are saying 99 plus 1, so 100, and then here 999, add a 1, so 1000. Okay, means 100, sorry, means 1000. Here 100 and here 1000. And here 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. It makes 10,000. 10,000 is 5. Only here we want a 1. Okay, only that time we are adding a 1, so it makes a 5-digit number, and 5-digit number it's called a 10,000. Got my point, all students? What we call 5-digit number? 10,000. So if we added one more to it, we make the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest, not a largest. Okay, this also lead to a new place called the 10,000 place. And how this it's possible? How this it's possible, all students? Let's see here. Let's check here. So here, students, let's check here how this is possible. Greatest number and here smallest number. Greatest number plus add a 1 and then it make a smallest number. Okay, so 1 digit. 1 digit means 9. Greatest number 1 digit. 1 is greatest or 9 is greatest? Obviously 9. Okay, so 9 is greater than to 1. 9 is greater than to 1 is greater than to 9. 9 is a big number. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, means 2 digit. It is small. Okay, smallest number. Then 2 digit, 99 plus 1. So it makes a 100. Okay, so 3-digit number. Then after 3-digit number, 999 plus 1, it makes a 1000, means 4-digit number. And then 4-digit number, 9999 plus 1 means is equal to 10. 10 means 5-digit, means 10,000. So what should I tell you? You got my points, all students. Greatest number is equal to smallest number. 1 digit plus 1. Okay, 1 digit means that time it's the smallest, greatest number. 9, 99, 900. So students, you first of all you take a greatest number and then add 1 and then it make a smallest number. It means 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000, and 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. So how can we read? 97 is read as 97,000. Got my points? Now let's check here the new things. Let us read some 5-digit number. Here first place, what is a TTH means? What is the meaning of TTH? TTH means the first letter of 10, then TH means first 2 letter of 1000. 10,000. 10,000 of both words. First both words we take as like that. Okay, so T means a 10 of T. 10 of first capital word is T, and TH means a first 2 letters of 1000. It's called TTH. Okay, 10,000. Then after TH is then after 100. 100 we already know. Then after tens, and then after ones. Students, first row is in 10,000 place is 1, 1,000 place is what? 1. Is all things are do this in this all things we are solving here. Okay, so it's example. Now here is a unreadable things here. See, so 2 3 2 3 means 23,000. Here is 344. But is your homework, and this you are doing in your homework, okay, in your rough book. Then after, now we check this example. Okay, let's look at the number 23,344. See, let us look at that here on, all students. Let us look at the number 23344. Means how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So what should be called? 23,344. What all students? 23,344. So or see here, I am speak properly. 23,344. It's proper again. Okay, so 23,000. So how can it? First of all, we write here 23,000. 2 and 3. 20 of 20,000. So 20,000. 10,000 plus 10,000 is equal to, it's make a 20,000, and then 3 means 3,000, 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000. 20,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 23,000. And here is in the yellow colors 800, means 100, 200 and 300. Then here which place? Here is 10 place. How many 10 place is 10? 10, 20, 13 and 14. 14. Okay, expanded notation. First of all, we wrote here a 20,000, then 3,000, then 4 means 400, 40 means 4014 means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, and then 1 place, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 place is equal to 1. So what should be right that? So students, here in ones place, how many ones? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so expanded notation is like that. First of all, a 20,000, then 3,000, then and 300, then 14 and 4. So we speak as like the 20,344. Okay, try this. You all students try this in your rough book. This give the expanded notation for 45,863. Give one number 4 means a 5. Here expanded notation. This question number 1 is what? Try this here. 45,863. You expand it as like that. And second, give one number for this 50,700 7,432. Sorry, again I am repeating you. 50,000, 7,000. We should as like that. We should write as like that. 50,000 means 7,432. So we should be right as like that. 57,432. Got my point? Try this both question in your rough book. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now we move on students, next things. Okay, so now is this your what? Place value chart. I hope you remember place value and place value chart. We learned, and I taught you a 1000 period and ones period. What? Thousands period and ones period. Period means what? We have a 1 period, 2nd period, 3rd period. Means in one period it's in one things. Okay, so here in a 1000 period, so thousands come in one period, so 1, 10 and 100 comes. Got my point, all students? The path that is a plan take from the place to another called flight routes of an air route. There are 49,817 what? there are 49,871 air routes in world. Understood? So students, 49,000. So here in thousand place 49 will become that. So 4 is a 10,000 and 9 is place of 1000 and 8 is a place of 100 and 7 is a place of tens and 1 is a place of 1. So students, what should we speak that time? We should be speak as like that 49,871. Again I am repeating you in thousand periods 10,000 and thousands both come, and one periods 100 and 10 and 1. Okay, in one period 100, 10 and 1. Again I am repeating you second time, thousand period and one period. Okay, so thousand period in a 10,000 and 1000. Then after one period 100, 10 and 1. Got my point all students? This is your all things of the place value chart. So how can we put and how can we see this all 5 digit of the place value chart? So we see as the place value chart as like that. 4 means 10,000, 9 means 1000, 4 means 10,000, 9 means 1000. Okay, and then 100 means 8 and 7 in tens and 1 in ones. Understood? Got my point all students? This is your place value chart. Now let's check here. The place value chart has been separated into 2 groups are called period. It's a definition of period. Okay, the place value chart has been separated into 2 groups are called a period. Here let's see here, let's check. 1000 period, how many groups are here? 10,000 and 1000 both group. Okay, 1000 periods. Period means what here? First group 10,000 and second group is thousands. First group is 10,000 and second group is 1000. 10,000 and 1000 is called a 1000 periods. Got my point? See, read it again. The place value chart has been separated into 2 groups periods. Okay, 2 groups called a period. And then one period has a 3 place. Which place in one period? In one period has a 3 place. Which 3 place? Hundreds, tens and ones. What? One period has 3 place. 100, tens and ones. The 1000 period has 2 place. 10,000 and 1000. Already we have learned this. See all students, 1000 period, 10,000 and 1000. Okay, here 2 group and here one period in how many groups? 1, 2 and 3. 1, tens and hundreds. Got my point all students? Then okay, when we write a number without using a chart, when we write a number without using a chart, we use a comma to separate the periods. What? We are without using of chart, without using of which chart? Place value chart. Okay, without using a place value chart, we use comma to separate the periods. How can we separate here? See here. Here I am not write as the place value chart. Okay, here see as like that 49,000. Then after it's a comma and then 871. 49,000. Then I am not write as the place value chart here. So we put that comma and then after we should be write there 871. Got my point all students? What I am telling you, you know very well. Again I am repeating you all students for you. When we write a number without using a chart, we use a comma to separate the period. What? When we write a number means a digit. Without using a chart, without using a formation of place value chart, we use that time comma to separate the periods. Got my point all students? Okay, first of all here we learn what is a period, then one period, then 1000 period, ones period, thousands period. Understood? And then when we are put the comma, okay, that time we are without using of place values. At that time we are how to separate, put a comma and we are separating. Got my point, all students? Understood? Okay, so now let's check here new things. Okay, example. Here example, how can we put commas? Okay, an example of here expanded notation, and how can we write in words. Example, take here the number 49,870. Further copy number 49,871. Which number we are taking, all students? We are take the number 49,871. Got my point, all students? Now let's check here place value of digit. Here place value of digit, and here face value of digit 1. Okay, multiply, we are multiply with this, it's called a face value. Okay, so is first of all 10,000 place, 1,000 place, 100 place, 10 place and 1 place. Here in 1 place is 1, so 1 ones are 1. Got my point, all students? Is a face value. Ones are 1, it's a face value, and place value is what? Here 1 is equal to 1. Then after 10 place, 17, place value of 17, here see 17. Okay, so face value 7 multiplied by 10 means 7 tens are 17, 7 tens are 17. Got my point, all students? Then after 100 means which in 100 places which number? How many numbers there? 8 numbers. See 8. So 800, 8 multiplied by 100, 8 multiplied by 100. So all students, what to do? 8 multiplied by 100. So 8 multiplied by 100. 800s are 800. 800s are. Okay, 800s are 800. 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to how many, all students? 800. Got my point? So 800 is the place value, and face value is what? 8 multiplied by 100. Then after 1,000 place, 1,000 place is what will become there? 9. What will become that? 9. And here place value of 9,000. So face value of 9 is 9 multiplied by 1,000. So 9 multiplied by 1,000 is equal to 9,000. Okay, then after 10,000, in 10,000 is 40,000, 4 here. So 14,000. How many 40? 40,000. Okay, 40,000 multiplied by 10,000. So it's made a 40,000. So now it's a 40,000 is our first 10,000 place. Then after 1,000 place is 9,000, and 100 place is 800, and then 17 is a place of which place of 17 is place of 10, and 1 is place of 1. This is your expanded notation. And in words, how can we speak in words? 49,871. Okay, all students, 49,871. Got my point? So students, this is your example number of 5-digit number. Face value also with there, and a place value also. Place value and a face value both are there. Understood, all students? Now this is your topic. 5-digit number and 6-digit number is not finished. Today only we are yet completed what? 5-digit number. And tomorrow we are going to learn and do the revision of 6-digit number. So today our session is here still till 2. Okay, and then after tomorrow we are going to learn. Tomorrow we are going to learn what? 6-digit number. I hope you all are written and wrote with me all things. Okay, and tomorrow you must be practice the how to read 6-digit number. Got my point, all students? What I am telling you, you know. Okay, one more thing, students. Paper style and today what we are do. Okay, today's learn what we learn. digit number we are write one times in our fair book. Got my point? So students, today's your homework, today's our lectures, what should be learned, you write in your fair book one times. Got my point, all students? Okay, thank you so much all of you, thank you all students.